Hey everyone, welcome back. Did Crunchyroll stop working right after you updated your phone's operating system? Here's the quick fix. First, restart your phone completely. Hold the side button and volume down at the same time. Slide to power off. Wait 30 seconds, then turn it back on. Operating system updates create temporary conflicts with streaming apps like Crunchyroll, and a full restart clears most of these right away. After restarting, open your App Store and tap on the profile picture at the top right. Scroll down and look for Crunchyroll in the list of available updates. Since compatibility patches are typically pushed quickly after major OS releases, tap update if immediately if one is showing. If there is no update yet and Crunchyroll is still broken, go to your settings, then go to general, go to soft Go to General and then go to iPhone storage. Find Crunchyroll. Once you find it, tap on it and then tap offload app. After offloading it, go to the App Store and reinstall it fresh from the App Store to get a clean build for your current OS version. So all you've got to do is restart your phone, check the App Store for a Crunchyroll update and reinstall it fresh if needed. Crunchyroll works on your new OS and that's it. Subscribe.